All right, this is a tutorial on how to use the Bamboo Studio for our new Bamboo 3D printer. So double click Bamboo Studio, it will start. And one of the first things that we need to do is verify that the Bamboo Studio is logged in to the SCSHS account. If it's not, call a teacher and teacher will log you in. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is to prepare your 3D print. Okay, and this is the bed of the 3D printer where the 3D printing will be printed. The front of the bed is the one with the red axis over here. You can basically zoom in and out using your mouse. You can also hold left click and then you can rotate that bed. Okay, but this is not the bed of our printer because this is referring to a Bambu Lab A1 and we have a Bambu Lab A1 mini printer. So we have to pull this down and then click on the A1 mini, and then the bed will slightly change. It is a smaller bed, but the same thing. This is the front, and you can hold left click, and then you can rotate that bed. Now the quality of the print is already preset to a 0.2 on the layer height and initial layer height. So we're gonna leave that. The seam is aligned, and everything should be left as is. If you have a 3D model that has an overhang, you can turn on support, but we are not going to turn on support here. You can by checking this box, but we don't have any overhangs on our model. Then the other two tabs here, strength, is going to talk about the fill of the 3D model. And then this one's going to talk about um, other details, including the powers and everything like that. So we're not going to change anything and then accept the default. Next, we have to do a device, and the device that you wanted to use will can be pulled down here. We have 8 new Bamboo A1 Mini, and you can choose which one that you want to use. So if you want to use number 8, you simply click number 8, and then it will connect, and you should hit this play button. It has a camera, and you should be able to see the bed. I'm recording this around 9:30 p.m. so we can't really see anything, but you have a lamp switch here, so you click that lamp and it should turn on. You can see that there is something being printed on the bed, so we cannot use this printer. So just choose another printer and repeat the play up, and then turn on the lamp if it's too dark. And it should show us whether there is something being printed, and there is currently something being printed right now. So we can't use that again. So we choose another one, um, Bamboo 6. It's loading, and then we can see that there's really none. Okay, but it's maybe too dark to see, so we just move on and pick something. Say Bamboo 2. The lamp is on, it's playing, and there you go. So this one we can print on. If everything is full but it's finished, we can remove the print, but you have to tell the teacher first before you remove it. But yeah, it's better to check the camera and make sure that there's nothing being printed. So once we verify that we wanted to print on this printer because it's available, you can go back to prepare, and then you can find your STL file. So I downloaded my STL file, and I placed it in my downloads folder. So here's the STL file, and all you have to do is basically drag and drop. So select, hold, drag, and drop. And then if your drawings are set to millimeters, then it will say, hey, this appears to be too small. Do you want to scale to millimeters? You just answer yes, and it would show you your model. So again, you can left click hold if you can look at your model, and that's how it's going to be printed. You can zoom in, okay, and then you can look at that model. So this is a student model that they created using Creo. Once everything is verified that it will fit inside the bed, nothing is hanging out, then the next thing to do is you want to slice the plate. Okay, so slice plate means that you want to ask Bamboo Studio to sort of mimic how it's going to be printed. It will do some calculation. It will tell you like how much filament will be used. And once it's finished slicing, you simply go to print plate, verify that this is the printer that you want to use. You can change your filament here, but we usually want to just select which one is loaded. Typically, there's only one, so you can change. If there's two, then you can pick which color you want to print it on. Okay, and then once you're done, you simply click send, and it should start printing after a few minutes of heating up. Okay, but that's basically how to use Bamboo Studio. Okay.